how to buy app in Google Play Store with debit card. Hey guys, in this video, I am going to show you how you can buy an app in Google Play Store with debit card. So make sure to watch this video till the end and let's get started. So the first thing that you want to do is open up the Play Store app on your mobile and sign into your account, and you will be redirected to this page. After that, search for that app that you want to buy, or just click on this option that says Premium. Here you will be able to see all paid or premium apps. After that, just click on the app that you want to buy and click on the price tag of the app. Here, if you have saved your card on Google Play Store, then just click on One Tap Buy. Or if you don't have your card saved on Google Play Store, it will just ask you enter the card credentials, and after that you will be able to buy that app. So that's how you can buy an app in Google Play Store with debit card. That's all for this video.